Here's Petlibro App, smart feeders and fountains. Save mealtime moments securely with Video Cloud. Remotely feed and monitor meals with instant replay. Keep track of your pet water intake. Schedule daily meals or snacks with ease. Conveniently portion remotely serve wet food. Control all your Petlibro devices from one place. Petlibro allows two different apps. Make sure you download correctly. Pretty cool, nice technology. If you have a pet and sometimes you are traveling, you're on a walk, you're at work, in an office, you just want to make sure that your pet is getting the food and you want to monitor it. So pretty cool. So yeah, you can just open it up and then you can just sign up. Check the box. Just select the region. And then you can just continue with creating your account. So that's basically the Petlibro Care and Care Plus. So you can then just select in here. You can add device, you can add care, and then that's the idea. So then you can just see devices, you can see your care, and then you can see services, and then you can see your account. And yeah, just add a new device. And yeah, pretty cool. A lot of different feeders, a lot of different fountains. Super cool technology. If you like your pet, that's definitely a lot of fun to have in here. Then you can see the schedule, you can add a profile, you can automatically schedule all these things automated. Multi-pet feeding and hydration. And you have your account. So really cool app, try it out.